Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Hyderabad rains. GHMC officials put on high alert. With heavy rains lashing the city since last evening, Chief Secretary Somesh Kumar directed the Hyderabad collector and GHMC officials to be on alert and instructed them to regularly monitor the situation. Leaves of all employees have been cancelled and instructions were issued to stay on alert and address the grievances immediately. EVDM call center received 23 complaints, including 14 informing waterlogging, 3 tree falling, and 4 tree branches collapsing from different areas. Officials said all the complaints have been attended. Andhra Pradesh reports 7,293 new cases, 57 deaths in last 24 hours. Andhra Pradesh recorded 7,293 new COVID-19 cases and 57 deaths in the last 24 hours. As many as 9,125 patients have recovered, the state's health department said on Saturday. Andhra Pradesh reported 7,293 new coronavirus cases, 9,125 recoveries, and 57 deaths in the last 24 hours, taking the total cases to 6,68,751, including 5,97,294 recoveries, 65,794 active cases, and 5,663 deaths, the state's health department said in a statement. Andhra EAM CET retest for those who had COVID-19 in October. Candidates who didn't write the Andhra Pradesh Engineering, Agriculture and Medical Common Entrance Test APEAM CET since they tested positive for coronavirus may appear for a re-exam on October 7, Education Minister Adi Mulapu Suresh said. While 84.38% of candidates in the engineering stream appeared for the exam, 86.52% in the medical and agriculture stream wrote the exam. The retest will be conducted for the 12 candidates in the engineering stream and 9 in the medical stream and 6 who registered for API CET as they had COVID-19, Suresh said. TS revenue bill is for people's land ownership rights without financial burden, says KTR. With the introduction of revenue bill, the Telangana government is focusing on addressing all land and asset ownership rights without imposing any financial burden on people, said Municipal Administration and Urban Development Minister K.T. Ramarao. Agricultural and non-agricultural lands will be issued passbooks of different colors. Already, majority of the land and ownership related issues in the rural areas have been addressed, he said. The Telangana government is also focusing on addressing ownership rights of LIG and MIG people, Rao said. Sandalwood drug case, Kannada TV host Anushri grilled by police in Mangaluru. Kannada television host and dancer turned actor Anushri appeared before the Central Crime Branch and Economics and Narcotics Police on Saturday and was grilled for over 3 hours in connection with a drug case. She was questioned by Vinay Gankar, DCP Traffic and Crime, at the office of the Assistant Commissioner of Police at Panambur. She was summoned to appear before September 29. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe Bayan Times.